Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain about the how you're gonna have to access the class and by using a definition function, and after that we create an objects and accessing the class. So the prototype of this code is first you create a class to print student details. So it is the main purpose. Okay, so after that I create a class here. So because we are working with students, so that's why I create a variable as student. So here, and the class student. After that I place a def function here. So def function I place in it here, and yeah, double underscore here. So I create a self variable, comma, I create a self here. So self is the keyword for the any definition function. So you're gonna have to access the for the further code. For the further code, you might be placed the self as a syntax here. So that's why I placed a self here, and after that, a student have a name, and student have a roll number, and student have a marks. So I need to print the student details, first name, then I will print the roll number of the student, and then I will print the marks of the student. So I can initialize this by using a def function, and okay, self dot so you will see in the sequence, you will see in the sequence bracket self name, roll number, and marks. So first you will place self dot name here. So in this sequence you will place like this to initialize the code. So self dot name equal to name, and self dot roll, yeah, sorry, self dot roll number equal to self dot roll number equal to roll number, self dot marks, self dot marks equal to marks, self dot marks equal to marks, and uh, so I can initialize the code right now. So for the displaying the given code, I will, for the display the code. So display the code. So I will use to display the code by using a def function. Def by using a def function, display info. So you place any of these in the place of display info, because I need to display information of the students. So that's why I use the display info here, and I create a self, and after that print the student name and marks, and the roll number. So that's why I create a student name here. Student name. I want to print student name here, and for the displaying student name and marks and the roll number of the given student. So that's why I will print the one by one here, and I use just self dot name, self dot name, and I close the curly bracket. So the I already said that by using the f string you can have to access the both variables and functions at a time. So that's why I use f string here. So I placed a f string here, and uh, student student roll student roll number student roll number here, and self dot roll self dot roll here, and after that print my uh, by using a f string print my student only only thing left is the marks, so I will print marks here. Sorry, the self comma is I unfortunately I print comma here, so it is the dot, sorry for this. Yeah, self dot marks here. So yeah, then I create an object. So from this onwards the main program will be started. From these onwards the main program will be started. So you are not afraid for the main program, because we are create these kind of program first. The main program is very simple, like it will be done in 2 to 3 lines. So main program. So first I wanted to create objects. So the objects function are to access the given class. So it will the, the object will be read the entire code of the class, and it will be access the given class. So it is the function of object, and student one. I need to print student one details here. Yeah, student one equal to student, and I don't student first John here, and he have a 34th roll number, and he got 78 marks in the given examination. And after that two student 2 equal to a student name, as a student name is uh, student name is the Ben here, and after I place the comma here, and roll number is 56 and marks is 98. So I want so after that to access method. So access method. So the comments I will use for the better clarification. You need not to afraid for this, because to put as a comment, it will see like a big code. So the comments are not will be print, and you will not hesitate. you will not afraid, sorry. Print, so for the better clarification, I will print, okay, so I will directly print this, because so I will see this. Okay, student one dot display info. I, I, uh, I placed a parenthesis here to accessing the above program, so that's why I place a parenthesis here. And after that, student 2 student 2 here, and dot display info, and I place parenthesis here. So I will run this program right now. So yeah, it will be run. So for the better clarification, I will print here. Yeah, what is, I'll print here for the better understand. A print student one student one details here, and I close it the bracket, and after that I will print my student 2 details here. Yeah, student 2 details is placed like this. So I want to run this. Yeah, okay, because I not give a gap on the initial, so that's why I run this program. Yeah, there is an error because info, okay, yeah, it will be, yeah, I forgot to place the put a bracket here. Unfortunately, it will be erased, so I will run this program. So press enter, it will be run, and it will not print the details of the student. So if we go through the PC, yeah, I will show now. So the in this code, the error in this code is I will print a front side, so that's why it got error. So the print will be at the edge. Yeah, I will take this print here, and after that I'll take this print here, print student details here again. So now I will run this code. Yeah, opposite line is 18. Yeah, student one details it will be run, but it is so some error right now. So again it will show error. For the better output I need to place here. So you need to beware with the spaces in the Python. You need to uh, maintain a better code. So I'll run this program right now, so it will be show again error. after that I take this before the def statement also. So yeah, so, yeah, before I said that the def statements are in one line and print statements are in one line and the objects are in one line, so then it will be execute the program. So you will see, now I will run this program right now, so it will be run. So it will print student one details, student name John, student roll number 34, and student marks 78, and then after that student two details, student name Ben and student roll number 56 and student marks 98. So I will initialize in the create an objects John 34 and 78, Ben 56 and 98. So it is in the sequence, it will be take first it will take the name as a John, and after that chap dot roll number as a 34, and after that marks. So like that it will be take so I hope that are you understand this program. So yeah, thank you very much.